think he was an
Yes, my people, this situation happened in Enugu on the 1st of September 2025. This situation between the passenger and the management of this Enugu Air. According to the news, they have not released press statement. Enugu Air have not released press statements. Look at the way they are dragging this man. This is another Quam 3. This is the situation. What do you have to say? What do you think that led to this man brutalization? What do you think? Is that a proper way to handle this case? My people, let's hear you. Because this one a man, and many of you know will talk. Let's hear your opinion in the comment section. Thank you.